In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Word document to WhatsApp. Whether you are working from your browser or the desktop app, the process is quick and reliable. First, open WhatsApp on the web or on your desktop. The web version runs in your browser, while the desktop app is a standalone program, but both look and behave almost the same. Make sure you are signed in and connected to the internet so your message goes through smoothly. Next, open the specific chat where you want to send the document. This can be an individual conversation or a group chat. Take a second to confirm you are in the right place before attaching anything, especially if you are working with different teams or multiple conversations at once. To attach your file using the built-in option, from the menu that appears, choose Document. A file picker will open, allowing you to browse to the location of your Word file, such as a doc or docs. Select your document, then confirm your choice. WhatsApp will show you a preview with the file name and size so you can double-check everything. When you are ready, you'll see an upload progress indicator, and once it finishes, the document will appear in the chat for the recipient to download and open. If you prefer an even faster method, you can drag and drop position your WhatsApp window so you can also see your document on your desktop or in a folder. Then, click and hold the document, drag it over the chat area in WhatsApp and release it. The app will recognize it as a document attachment and display the same confirmation view. Click Send to share it. If you don't immediately see your file, briefly resize or minimize the WhatsApp window, so both the chat and the file are visible at the same time. A few quick tips to make this smoother: sending as a document preserves the original formatting, which is great for resumes, reports, or templates. Keep your file name clear and professional so recipients can identify it at a glance. Large files can take longer to upload, so give it a moment if you are sharing something hefty. And as a best practice, verify the chat before sending to avoid sharing the wrong document in the wrong place. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.